Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? If you're new, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell. Alright. So people, our first plan was to go to Starbucks. But today is cheat day. We got an update that is new to us. And I'm pretty sure it will be new to a lot of you guys too. You cannot enter Island Village Plaza. That is one thing though. Is it the entire plaza or the Starbucks? Okay, you cannot go over there unless you are vaccinated. You can't tell them, you have to show them. Somebody come. You have to show them, right? Because I tried to tell them, but they need the proof. I mean, I come on with my vaccination card. Yes, I'm fully vaccinated. I mean, if you never know, from God, Canada, you have to be vaccinated to go to Canada. So, we did that. Me that look for the picture, but we couldn't find the picture. So, that's that. So, we'll end up go Fisherman Village. No, to get something to eat. And we came here early on. The car park was full, so we had to go back over Island Village to park over there. Me can't pass this stuff. No, sir. And you're gonna make your car come here? Could you well have let me just pass? Seriously? We ask her, sir. Oh, yeah. So we had to go back to Island Village to park to come over, come by Fisherman Village Plaza. So yeah. So Jamaica is slowly getting to the like under the operation like Canada, because the dining in Canada anywhere you have to be fully vaccinated and you have to show them. You can't just tell them by word of mouth. So that's what's up. We're going to try to see what I can get to eat over here. Let me turn on the camera and show them. So we're over here. We have been to Lobster's Dave already, so we don't want to go to that. We see something named Whalers. I'm not sure what else they have here. So we're going to see what else they have over here. Or which restaurant are there, babe? We don't want to go back to Lobster's Dave. We did not really love it like that. It was not, you know, not spectacular. So we're gonna see. And today we have the view of the cruise ship, which is really nice. Alright, this view is nice. Oh, you have different things at the end. Alright guys, so hi, could we change our seat to where the people just get up? Seeing that there's no sun there. No, right in the middle. Yeah, but the people they're coming back.
Yeah, but the waitress don't come here as well.
That's I'm asking you if okay.
Me now walk behind them and sing them, see that me afraid of from morning.
Alright guys, so that's Babe and the restaurant that we are at. It's called Whalers, seafood restaurant Whalers and sports bar. And I don't remember if I show you guys this. We have the view of the ship and water and some plants that need water and all of that. So yeah, yeah. Alright guys, we got soup to bust the gas. This is kung soup mixed with fish. That's what the lady said. And I think I decided to get lobster, but she's going to let me see the size and then let me decide. Alright guys, so we're just waiting on our meal. And then we have the view of Margaritaville right over there. And the rest of the village, which is right here. There's another one, seafood. Where you get the right to the beach.
Zangali.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got this was a fish combo. 2 fish in one thing, yeah. Alright guys, it's garlic lobster. They've got curry lobster, rice and peas. We got some french fry that is extremely cold. Alright guys, so I'm still having my lobster here. It is okay. I don't think this is how garlic lobster should taste, but it is fine. We're still on with the fish too. Babe did not enjoy his curried lobster, so but him eat half it, but him never enjoy. It never cooked properly and all of that. Honestly, we hard to please, but that's the story go. If it not do good, it just never do good. The rice and peas, from yesterday this cook, it never just cook. You know, you have it in the fridge, them warm up and can come give you same taste. So guys, we're all through. We got our box to pack up, and we're basically going to pack up everything now and go walk on Margaritaville, because them say after 5 we could have come over there because the tourists would have gone, and living proof that them are going because the ship is leaving. On the can't say it move. Look, you see the windows that get smaller behind the tree. Look, when I see, you can see it slowly going back. So you see, so it's going away. So when I leave out tonight, I'm doing the review on the restaurant here. Because I do have a few reviews. I was not 100% pleased. So yeah. So this is a thing of all the different restaurants that are over here. The different shops. And we're leaving. Okay, so we are leaving. We chose not to go to Lobster's Day because we went there already. So we decided to do another one. The food cannot take long to come out. And I like to say we alone because when we're leaving, some people that complain about it too. And it's very obvious because a lot of people you sit them and wait. A lot of persons sit down waiting. And you know, you got somewhere to order food and you have to wait long. That kind of annoying. The lobster, it never pleased me like how I expect it to be. Like, you know, babe never like him curry one. He just let him dash the curry pan, not true. Let them prepare this like that is one general thing and then change the color. Yeah. So, but the price was not bad. So,
Price too much for me, but
yeah, for babe amount, it did.
not the amount for your taste.
Oh, but the amount they liquor too.
Not that way amount. You spend the money for taste.
That's true. And amount too. You can't, you know them fancy restaurant there where you go and you pay $1 million, you get one.
Fancy restaurant for taste, we can tell you that.
Well, that's true. Cause that's true. Because if I did for the amount, you know, man. Because some places you go, you get this little tinsy bits of certain things. So,
Then listen, want to play movie tonight?
Okay, you want to go movies?
Huh?
So yeah,
No, me was that
I went to check on movies, but they're playing a movie, but they're only having Spider-Man. They're only having Spider-Man. Have one next night, not tonight. We'll go Starbucks. Hopefully the vaccination thing not apply to me again. But this is a thing though to make us take the picture. I did have it on my phone and me delete it. Cause when in Canada, I have it everywhere me I go. Even at the mall, if you use the mall food court in Canada, you have to show it. So I guess Jamaica is going to that level, so I need to take a picture of it to have it in my phone. So we're at Starbucks. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so another view of the ship leaving. This is what I want to do for my birthday this year. Hopefully they do have the crew that are leaving from Jamaica, because your girl don't have a US visa, not at this point. So they're always doing it, but it's leaving like from Florida and then place there. So I hope I get to do this for my birthday this year. Yeah.
When?
Audience just come and say when, and I'm gonna say this year. Audience say when. So this year, today how much of the month? I mean next year, for next year 2022. So yeah. 2022, not 2021. 2021 is leaving slowly but surely, like the ship just now. So yeah, so so I'm hoping to get that done for 2022. Alright guys, so it's our time now. Our time.
Unvaccinated.
We are vaccinated. I said that already. It's just
yeah, but it's just that
we never have a we never prove.
Yeah, prove it.
Yeah, we couldn't prove it. So it's our time now to use the plaza. So we're going to Starbucks now. I mean, yeah, it still kill the time to the evening, because if we come already, we would have go home. No, not true.
No, we have just going to this year.
Yeah, but would I go home? No, we would have decided no. You understand? It should be reach far though. Where? Where you see me keep move reach far or not reach far? Alright, so alright guys, so we got a chance to come in. So we're already Starbucks, so we're going to on it